Understanding, I hear you, a deep dive into English phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase that you might have heard, I hear you. Understanding such phrases is crucial for effective communication, especially in informal contexts. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. When we say, I hear you, it can be interpreted in two ways. Literally, it means that you are capable of hearing someone's voice. But in many contexts, this phrase takes on a figurative meaning. It's a way of acknowledging someone's thoughts, feelings, or opinions. It's like saying, I understand where you're coming from, or I'm paying attention to what you're saying. This phrase is often used to show empathy or agreement. For example, if someone is explaining a problem, saying, I hear you, can be a way of expressing that you understand their situation and are empathetic. It doesn't necessarily mean you agree with everything being said, but it shows that you are giving their words thoughtful consideration. The tone of voice and context when using I hear you are extremely important. It can be comforting and supportive in one context, or it can sound dismissive if said in a sarcastic tone. Pay attention to your tone and the situation to ensure your message is conveyed correctly. There are several variations of this phrase, such as, I see where you're coming from, or, I understand your point. These alternatives convey a similar message but can be used to add variety to your speech or to better match the specific context of the conversation. I hear you is a versatile phrase in English, used to show empathy, understanding, or acknowledgement in a conversation. Remember, the way you say it and the context matters a lot. We hope this video helps you in understanding and using this phrase more effectively in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English skills.